In today's video, we're going to dive into a topic that's been gaining popularity in recent years: making money online using just your laptop, a Wi-Fi connection, and some of your free time. We'll focus on a specific method, affiliate marketing, and we'll explore how to leverage Pinterest to boost your earnings. So if you're looking for ways to generate income from the comfort of your own home, this one's for you. First, let's get the basics down. What is affiliate marketing? Well, it's a performance-based marketing strategy where you earn a commission for promoting someone else's products or services. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you get a piece of the pie. Now, why Pinterest? It's a visual search engine and a platform filled with inspiration. But did you know you can use it for more than just collecting home decor ideas? Pinterest can be a goldmine for affiliate marketers. People use it to discover and save products they love, which makes it a fantastic platform for promoting affiliate products. So how do you get started? Well, it's easier than you might think. Here are some steps to help you begin your affiliate marketing journey with Pinterest. Select a niche that you're passionate about or have expertise in. This will make it easier to create content and connect with your audience. I have compiled a list of the 50 most popular, easy-to-start niches. Link in description below. Well, that's done. Join affiliate programs or networks related to your chosen niche. Some popular options include Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, Digistore24, and ClickBank. For each platform, I will leave a link in the description. On Pinterest, it's crucial to create visually appealing pins that link to your blog or landing page. Consider creating blog posts or landing pages with in-depth information about the products you're promoting. I recommend using Canva for this step as it is the most favorable website with many templates. Here you can select and add your own touch to your pins. Consistency is key. Pin regularly and mix in your affiliate products naturally among other relevant pins. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. Building a community can lead to more trust and conversions to make your affiliate marketing journey even more manageable. There are some fantastic tools and resources available. You can use scheduling tools like Canva to automate your pinning and track performance. Additionally, consider taking online courses or reading guides to enhance your skills. Making money with just a laptop, Wi-Fi, and time is entirely possible with affiliate marketing, especially when you incorporate a platform like Pinterest into your strategy. Remember, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time and effort to build a successful affiliate marketing business. But with dedication and the right approach, you can create a reliable source of income while working from the comfort of your own home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Milky for more valuable content. Let us know in the comments if you'd like more videos on making money online or if you have any questions about affiliate marketing with Pinterest. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Adios.